Today I am playing Dude Death Wars, and today I'm going to the other side of the country. I don't know, with a plane. And first, of course, we have to go to the airport. Hold on. Of course, we have to take my car to there. And I accidentally went to another person's garage. What the hell is going on in this neighborhood? Hey, there's Khalil. I don't have time to talk to you right now. I'm on a mission. Even though talking to Khalil was my first mission. Get out of the way. I have to go see the other part of the country. I'm 1 minute in and we're already here. Almost 2 minutes now. But I'm finally here. There's 2 tuk-tuks. Okay, and a few people. I'm taking the tuk-tuk with me. It's kinda hard. The drifting is so bad. Go. Alright, we're here. Alright. And there's my plane. Bruh. Oh, okay. I just got completely thrown out. Alright. Here's my plane. What the hell was that? Alright, I'm taking this with me. Oh! Circles. I wanna go over here. What is over here? Well, bye. Where was I? I found something over here. I have bad memory. I don't even know where it is. Oh, I completely passed it. This is where I parked my plane. Right here. I don't know where I am. Where did my plane go? Can I go see it again? I did find some. It looked like a military base, but I don't know where it is. Gonna blow. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Oh, looks like it does. It's literally smoking. It's literally on fire. Alright, I'm making it. It's literally on fire. What? What happened? Oh. Oh. I did make it to my destination. But my plane blew up. Thank you guys for watching, I guess. And see more videos of this. Don't walk into that plane. You're dead. What? How? How did you not die from that? Thank you for your money, sir. Die. What, the aliens? Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.